So, Terra Mystica 3D printed insert on its side. It's got a little bit of tiny box left, but I'll be able to fix that. I got a bunch of the punch board here on the bottom. That's on the bottom. So, turn the light here so we can see better. So there. Now to take this bad boy off here. Put the phone down for a second here. Lift it up so you can see me for a second while I do this. Bam. Alright, here we go. So, here we go, filled to the brim. I'm going to be able to change that shortly. These pieces here will fit in the insert. Just the one of the pieces that I printed that was too small. There's a remix. I didn't realize that there was a remix that somebody made of one particular piece, and that will fit in the box when the remix is done. This is solo pieces. These will not fit in the box, but just put them here. I'm gonna get a sticker on them here shortly. Just say that it's solo. Again, put a sticker on this. Say this is part of the solo, the Autonoma. Here's the board, other board. Then you got a couple of boards here. Put them back here for a second. And take these out. Here's the worker trays. The only negative I found of the insert was there wasn't enough space to put these in. These particular pieces, and you'll see a tray that has a bunch of these in there. There wasn't enough, so I stuffed them in here for now. Eventually, they will be put into another tray once I change the height or the openings of a tray with that remix that I talked about, but which is printing right now. Here's all the faction boards. Put them over here. So you go down here, just start peeling away. And as you can see, it was sitting on its side, so gotta make sure when I grab them, I don't grab the pieces there. And see when it just starts peeling away. Peeling away. There we go. This is the piece here that I'm talking about. So this will eventually fit these pieces, and will eventually fit these pieces, these X tiles here. When this is done, all that it was that for some reason when the person originally designed this insert, these wells are too small and these walls are too small. So somebody made a remix, exact same size, just cuts away at the borders and makes them bigger. So it's printing now. So once that's done, then I'll have those pieces in there. And this goes back here. This is more pieces. Going all the way down. Here's your tokens. Like I said, those extra pieces, these ones here that I talked about in this tray, most of them I'll be putting in here when it's done. Keep going down. This is the one that I said those pieces don't all fit in there. They're all in here. Keep going down. There's those tiles. As you saw, nothing really shifted while it was sitting on its side. More trays. And here's the factions. This is the part where I said there was some box up, but it's only because I'm just testing the amount of cardboard, because you do need to put some of the punch board back into the box. These are all the player trays, and the very last tray here, I've got some more Autonoma stuff here. I have it bagged off and sealed and stick with the sticker that says it's an Autonoma. That's your first player marker, I believe it was, and some expansions that's in that tray. So if I take away a couple of these, then it should fit flush to the board. So here's the Terra Mystica insert 3D printed.